All right, drink we're about to make is called Fleet Street. And we're going to serve this in a martini glass. If you want to put some water and ice in it, let it sit for about 30 seconds. It'll get nice and chilled for when you're ready. Okay, we're going to put some ice in a glass here and measure out 1 shot of gin. There we go. And follow that up with a ½ ounce of sweet vermouth. There we go. And also a teaspoon of dry vermouth. Next, a teaspoon of triple sec. And a teaspoon of lemon juice. All right, let's mix this all up. Shake it real well. Get it nice and cold since we're serving it up with no ice. That'll do. Grab your martini glass and a strainer and go ahead and pour it in. That is a Fleet Street. Bottoms up.